Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve my fall color using Clairol's Texture and Tones line. So I'm starting the dyeing process on dirty hair. I had my hair in a low sleek back ponytail for a few days and I just took it out. My hair color turned to like a dusty brown color. I don't know what it is, but it's awful and I wanted to change it up for the fall. So here I am just separating my hair into a few sections so that when I apply the dye, it's not just clumped in one area. I wanted to make sure that I work it out, work the dye through all the sections of my hair. You know what I mean. For me, I didn't have to do the strand test. I used Clairol products before when dyeing my hair, and I didn't have any reaction to them, so I felt comfortable using it. However, if you don't, make sure you do the strand test or consult someone that's professional. Just my opinion. You don't want to have a reaction or anything like that. So I'm starting off by reading the directions, and with the directions came some gloves and a booster pack to add to the dye to enhance the color. So the directions for using this box dye is pretty self-explanatory. I like using it, like I said, because it has no ammonia or anything in it, so I don't see any damage done to my hair. Here I am mixing step 1 and step 2 together. All of the bottles come labeled with numbers, so that way you know what product to use first before you're mixing it. So here I am applying step 2 inside step 1, which is the permanent hair dye mixed with the activating cream. Make sure you put all the ingredients from one bottle into the next. You don't have to do any measurements because it's already laid out for you. And you want to make sure that you shake it up really well. After applying step 2 into step 1, I'm going to take the booster powder and put it inside the bottle just to add more radiant color to my hair before applying it, and then I'm going to shake it up really good. So it's been a few years before I actually dyed my natural hair, but I guess with the fall and everything coming up in the pretty colors, I just wanted something different. So I always believe that black looks really healthy, but just had to switch it up a little bit. So again, you want to make sure that you shake the product really, really good before applying it to your hair. You don't want anything stuck up in the crevices of the bottle or nothing like that. You want to get all them good ingredients, mix it up before applying it to your hair so you can make sure that everything turns out the way that you want it to. So I'm going to start off by applying the hair dye to the back section of my hair. My hair is not like breaking up into any even sections or anything like that, but like I said, I just think the benefit of separating it into different sections is to make sure that you cover all the areas that you're trying to reach. Here I'm just making sure I get all the product from out the cap portion of the bottle before applying it to my hair. So I'm going to start off by applying the dye to the bottom of my hair. When I first started this, my initial mind frame was to just apply the dye to the bottom of my hair, and then I got a little happy and started pulling it up further to the top of my hair. So yeah, it is what it is. I just was working it in, and I was thinking I was doing a wash and go, just working a product in, but I forgot this hair dye. It's fine because I love the way it turned out. But yeah, so I just take my time, go through each section, making sure I cover the ends of my hair. I didn't want to take it all the way to the roots. I wanted my roots to stay black in certain areas. But I'm just making sure that I cover the tips of my hair. I definitely wanted the ends of my hair to have the color. So I'm going to repeat the same thing onto this side and all the other sections. I'm going to start off by applying the dye to the tips of my hair, ends of my hair first, and then I'm going to work it up the same way that I do my product when I do my wash and goes. And I'm going to repeat this to all the sections of my hair. So I'm going to fast forward this up and you guys continue to watch. So I actually purchased 2 boxes of dye just in case because my hair is so thick. This is me opening up the second box. However, I didn't had to use the whole entire second box. I only used a box and a little bit of the second one. So yeah, just mixing it up again. Shampoo, you know, the purple shampoo. I use that just in case some of my blondes are lighter than the other side and I wanted it to be even, so I use the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo to wash it out. Then I use the Clairol shampoo, the Clairol conditioner that came in a box, and I used that like a deep conditioner. I left it in for about 15 minutes and it made my hair like super soft, like my fingers just glide right through it. And then I rinsed that out. So I'm just going to show you guys how the color turned out. However, I don't like washing my hair in the sink, so I'm going to get in the shower and stuff, wash my hair and do a wash and go. But I just want to show you guys how good the color take. And mind you, I didn't have any bleach in my hair, haven't dyed my hair in, jeez, it's been years. I mean, I've worn my track blonde and all of this, that, and the third, but my natural hair I haven't dyed in years. So keep that in mind. Look how good it turned out. That is crazy with no bleach. And mind you, the Clairol hair dye has no ammonia, anything in it, so it's not damaging to my hair. And I left it in for 30 minutes because my hair is natural. I haven't had a relaxer in 13 years. Actually, I think it's been longer than that. It's been a long time, but yeah, what you guys think? I think it turned out really, really nice. It's a pretty color to wear for the fall. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.